While improper diets lead to many health problems, and the most important ingredient in cooking every meal is the oil in which the food is cooked. And if you aren't using the right one, it may lead to many health problems. Well, for your information, cooking oil has a considerable impact on our health. And if you are someone who's suffering from heart diseases, then in that case, you need to make sustainable food choices, including the choice of your cooking oil. So in this video, we will further share the types of cooking oils that you must use for your cooking if you are a heart patient or have any kind of heart issues. Soya bean oil. Well, soya bean contains a good number of fatty acids that are helpful for our body. It restricts cholesterol from accumulating in the body and hence it prevents heart diseases. Another oil that you can go for is the sunflower oil. Well, this oil reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases as it contains vitamin E, which is an antioxidant and is also good for your heart. The next oil that you can use for your cooking is groundnut oil. Well, this oil is also called as peanut or moongfali ka tel. So this oil contains vitamin E, monosaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats, which is healthy for your heart as vitamin E helps in lowering and also keeps it under control as well. While mustard oil is another alternative. So mustard oil is also known as sarson ka tel. It is not only good for your heart but also very good for the skin, joints and the entire body. While it contains a rich amount of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Along with this, it also contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Also, mustard oils improve digestion and appetite. And lastly, you can go for olive oil. Well, it is one of the healthiest cooking oils. Well, olive oil has a plant-based compound called polyphenols which helps in reducing the risk of heart diseases. It also contains healthy fats that keep the level of cholesterol in check. So these were some of the cooking oils that you can use in your daily cooking routine for better and good results and a healthy lifestyle. Well, for more such videos, you can simply log into our website, thehealthsite.com, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy.